Hello and welcome to the LionDesk and Google Sheets setup video. We are going to show you how to connect LionDesk to Google Sheets, why you would do it, and how easy it is. So ready? Here we go. My name is Gabe. I'm with API Nation. We create integrations for a ton of different real estate apps, all to save you time so you can get out there and do your real estate thing and not have to sit behind a keyboard doing this manual entry, data entry, copy paste thing. So let's get right to it. This is the LionDesk. And we're going to connect it to Google Sheets so that you have a great backup and you can create your own custom reports and charts and graphs and all those great things. So to do that, we're just going to go to apination.com. And this is where a lot of our integrations live. So you can just click on Apps. And we're going to come on down here and find LionDesk. There we are. Click that. And so here's where all our LionDesk integrations currently live. We have one for Mojo Dialer, and today we're connecting Google Sheets. And click that. So all we're going to do is click through here. It's going to connect them, and then we're going to be ready to go. So connect LionDesk. We were just signed into LionDesk, and actually our system will just see that, know that you're connected to LionDesk, and move on. There it is. LionDesk is connected. Now we're going to connect Google Sheets. So I'm already signed into my Google account. So it's going to double check and see if that's okay that we use this Google account. Gabe at API Nation, perfect. That's what we want. And it's going to ask me to allow. And this will allow all my LionDesk data to be copied into my Google Sheet so that I can move it around, manipulate it, take a look at some things. And actually I can combine it with data that I pull to Google Sheets from other apps using API Nation integrations. So, all right, so you can do this a few different ways. How it is currently is great. You could just hit go and this would be fantastic. If you want, you could pull them in by a separate tag name. So if you had just one tag you wanted to pull in, if you were managing your contacts in LionDesk that way, you could do it that way. If for some reason you only wanted to do contacts from now on, going forward into the future, you would unclick this. But if you want all your contacts that are currently in LionDesk to get pulled through, make sure that one's checked. It's checked by default. And then down here, you're given two options: sync LionDesk to Google Sheets or sync Google Sheets to LionDesk. And actually, we're going to come back to this because I'm going to show you something really cool about this. So LionDesk contacts, absolutely, subscribe and sync. And there we go. You can see the sync is right here. You can check it out. And it successfully ran. You could just come into your myapination.com account anytime you want, and you can delete the sync, make a copy of it, or you can change how often it runs. So right now it's running every 15 minutes, and I can change it to run every 24 hours if I don't want it to run that often, or run every 5 minutes if I want it running pretty much all the time. So, and I can also click Run Now, which will basically force it. Even though 15 minutes hasn't elapsed, it'll just do it anyway. We'll just do it right now. So yeah. Let me take you to what that looks like. So this is kind of what you would see. You would see email, first name, last name, mobile phone, and so on come over. And it also includes some of those custom fields that you've created in LionDesk. So names of pets, Mojo comments, list price, what they're looking for. That's just some of the custom fields that I've put in. And then once they're in here, like I said, you can run reports. So you can count how many people are currently using the prospective seller drip. Just running simple formulas. You can also create charts and graphs. So over here we've created a few charts and graphs. You know, this was the average list price of my my leads in LionDesk. This is the total amount of my listings currently up, and this is how much I've closed. 5 million, not bad for the year so far. And then I've also counted, you know, how many people are in I've also counted how many people are in different areas of my marketing automation: closed clients drips, general buyer drip, and then just kind of what people are generally looking for. So a lot of people are looking for the 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Not so many people looking for the 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's just kind of a great visual representation and scoreboard. So you could actually do this if you're tagging them by different agents. You could create a chart based on those agents. Or actually, I'll show you how to make a chart right now that will graph where your leads are coming from. So you just hit that chart button. There it is, and then we're going to go to data range. And we are going to pull all the information from our source column. Source ID, here we go. So it's pulling it in. I'm going to click aggregate. and then use row 1 as headers. Perfect. So now you can see Facebook is clearly my best source, followed quickly by Zillow, website, and then family and friend referrals, and then realtor.com. So yeah, that's great. And now I can see, and I can move this around. So if I want a slightly different chart, there we go. That's kind of nice. Moving left to right, I can see those bars. So that's it. Actually, I promised you a secret here. So we've set up the integration, LionDesk to Google Sheets. Let's go back, LionDesk and Google Sheets. So I'm going to get back to this page. And you can go through APINation.com apps to LionDesk to get back here if you want. And we're going to go through that same process. But this time we are going to sync Google Sheets to LionDesk. So connect LionDesk, good. Connect Google Sheets, great. Now, similar setup. Down here, these two buttons. Last time we did sync LionDesk contacts to Google Sheets. This time we're going to sync Google Sheets to LionDesk. So click that, and it asks for the spreadsheet URL. So I'm just going to hop back over to this sheet we were playing with, and I'm going to copy the website here. So I'm just going to highlight it all and then hit Control C, or I can right click it and hit copy. Then I'm going to come back here and click in here, and I can hit Control V, or I can right click in there and hit paste. There we go, and start that sync. And look at this. We now have every change from LionDesk getting sent to that Google Sheet. But if I want to make like a bulk edit, or if I'm pulling people into LionDesk, I can just place them in that Google Sheet, copy and paste them in there, and they'll go right into LionDesk without me having to add them one at a time inside LionDesk. That's it. I hope that was super helpful for you. If you have any questions, let us know. Shoot us an email at support@apination.com or give us a phone call. We love doing this stuff.